Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to make money as a website designer. Website design is a great way to earn a living, whether it's a full-time job or as a side hustle. But how can you actually make money doing it? Let's dive into the specifics. Please show some support by liking and subscribing to the channel. Website design refers to the process of creating and designing the visual layout, structure, and functionality of a website. It involves the use of various design elements such as color, typography, images, and other media to create an attractive and user-friendly website that effectively conveys its intended message and meets the needs of its users. A website designer may also be involved in other aspects of the website creation process, such as information architecture, user experience design, and web development. The goal of website design is to create a visually appealing and functional website that effectively communicates the message of the brand or organization and meets the needs of the user. So how do you actually make money with website design? Offer your services on freelance platforms. There are a lot of websites out there that connect freelancers with clients, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. As a website designer, you can sign up on these platforms and offer your services to clients who are looking for web design work. You can set your own rates and pick and choose the projects that interest you. Network and advertise your services. Networking is key when it comes to finding new clients. Joining online forums, Facebook groups, LinkedIn, and attending networking events can help you connect with potential clients. Additionally, advertising your services on social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook can also help you get the word out about your website design services. Offer web design courses. As a website designer, you have a wealth of knowledge that others may be interested in. You can offer web design courses online or in person and charge a fee for them. This is a great way to share your knowledge while also making some extra cash. Offer ongoing website maintenance. Website maintenance is a crucial aspect of website design. Once you've designed a website for a client, you can offer ongoing maintenance services to keep the website running smoothly. You can charge a monthly or yearly fee for this service, depending on the client's needs. Sell website templates and themes. If you've designed a website template or a theme that you think other people might be interested in, you can sell them online. You can create a website or social media platform to showcase your designs and sell them to others. Create and sell your own website design products. You can create your own products such as stock photos, icons, logos, and other design elements that website designers use in their work. Specialize in a specific niche. If you have a particular area of expertise, such as designing websites for restaurants or e-commerce stores, you can specialize in that niche. This will allow you to market your services more effectively to potential clients and charge higher rates. So, those are just a few ways you can make money as a website designer. It's important to remember that, as with any job, it takes time, effort, and patience to build a successful website design business. But if you're passionate about web design and are willing to put in the work, it can be a rewarding and profitable career. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.